So, ayan guys, medyo nabitin ako sa Zumba ko kanina nang nag-live ako. So, eto meron tayong part 2 na ating Zumba. So, hindi siya ganun kabilis. So, kayang-kaya natin sumabay. So, let's do this guys. Ayan, sabay na kayo para pagpawisan kayo kahit man lang at least 3 beses sa isang linggo makapagpapawis tayo. Kung di man tayo makapag takbo-takbo dyan sa labas, eh at least kahit sabay, pwede kayo mag-Zumba for free pa. Ayan, basta buksan nyo lang YT nyo at sumunod lang kayo doon at makakapag-Zumba na kayo. So, let's go guys at samahan niyo ulit ako na mag-Zumba kahit nandito na ako sa bahay. Okay? Aray ko, namanhid yung legs ko. So, ipi-play na natin guys and then sabay na kayo sa ating Zumba. Ayan. Para lumit ang ating mga bewang. Ayan. Nakita pa yung garteran short ko. Let's go! Sala-sala na muna. Basic steps. Ayan. Parang ganyan lang oh. Ganyan lang, basic. Sa mga hindi masyadong naintindihan o hindi marunong sa mga, ganyan lang, basic lang. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic lang. Ako makalakad medyo balik yung stage.
Mababae ka sa music ni Vanessa Mixblog. Idol!
Actually, kailangan makano tayo move, kaya lang. Sakto na yung stage. Basic lang. Ito pwede na kayo makasabay na hindi masyado pang nakakapag-Zumba ng mabilis. Sing na ng mga shoulder. Ano yung tapos? And then tembo. Yan, ikot. Then up. And then bending.
This is Massive Air Mix by Top Remix.
Then, basic lang. Tembo. 1, 2, 1, 2, tembo.
This is Vanessa Mixblog. Subscribe na!
Tembo. Okay? Basic steps. Ganyan lang. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yan. Clap your hands like this. Kahit sabay na kayo, pwede na kayo makapag-Zumba. Then, keep your shoulder like this.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
And then, 1, 2, 3, then shake and shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121,
meant for me. You are my true love, my dearest one.
Okay?
Everybody put your hands up high.
Cha-cha-cha.
Everybody put your hands up high. Let me see you
Cha-cha lang.
twerk. I'd like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. This is Vanessa Mix One. Subscribe
Alright.
now.
Right.
I love you very much, and remember, I always love you. Everywhere, I think of no one but you. You are my true love, my
This
dearest
is Massive
one.
Mix One. Come on, all
Dearest one, each time I hold you tight, I can feel the joy in my heart. Now I can say, if you were just meant for me, you are my true love, my dearest one. Dearest one, I love you very much, and remember, I always love you. Everywhere, I think of no one but you. You are my true love, my dearest one.
This is Massive Mix by Tomato Remix. And don't forget to subscribe. Vanessa Mix One. Idol. I'd like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. This is Vanessa Mix One. Subscribe now.
Sa mga nahirapang sumayaw, pwede na to. Ayan. Basic lang kahit sa bahay kaya.
Mix by
Para mapagpawisan.
See your smile. I think that I can show
So kahit ganitong paraan lang,
love still worthwhile.
magpapawisan na kayo.
Don't you know the love is like a fan that gives a reverie within. Its eyes are stacked together in the end.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our nerves align in your eyes. The things safely that control. And I think I finally learned to love you more.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please follow me and subscribe sa aking everyone at sa aking TikTok. Bye-bye. Thank you sa pagsama ulit sa aking Zumba for this afternoon.